a lot of the times people look at the top 3 or top 4 of sellers and they try to compete with them. They try to get to the top 3 or top 4 in terms of product listings. And then if they see the top 3 or top 4 have like 1,000 reviews, they'll maybe, and it's probably a great product, but they'll probably say, yeah, it's not a good product because I can't compete with them. A lot of the times you can be on the middle of the page on page 1 and still get your 5 to 10,000 a month, right? So, and this is another thing too. A lot of the times I actually focus on the low hanging fruit, and it's something that I taught in 2016 when I first came into AOE, and it surprised me that still a lot of people haven't caught on to that. There is so much low hanging fruit when it comes to Amazon. You can go into a niche that's super popular and get onto page 1, even if you're not the top 5 and not top 10, that's okay because that wasn't the strategy. But you could be hanging on the bottom of the page with a few of your products and still make enough revenue, still make enough income for yourself, right? And then once you've proven that, then you can go to other marketplaces. So again, there's a lot of different strategies, easy strategies that isn't the norm. I don't follow other courses or anything like that. When I learned how to sell on Amazon, it was literally, I just watched one hour video in 2013 or something like that. And the only thing, it wasn't a course, it was Perry Belcher. You guys probably know who he is, but the only thing he was talking about was having a great product. And that's all he cemented. Then everything else I really had to figure out. But there was a lot of trial and error that I went through, a heap of it, like a heap, right? So for me, my role really is to help you to avoid that, right? I've already made those particular mistakes. And there's a lot of you guys that have made mistakes also. And this is what I like about us and AOE in the community is that we should be learning from each other, right? We shouldn't be repeating the same mistakes over and over again. So I'm hoping with the brand startup that actually resolves that for everyone. So yeah, can you tell I'm excited? I'm pretty excited about that. Very, very excited.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.